can close and start it again. Okay, next, input the correct password. The view I choose scale or this one, or I go to setting. Okay. Welcome to Ubuntu this version. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y enter. Input your password. Hello everybody, I am Kimhab. Today I show how to install Ubuntu in Virtualbox step by step. You need install or update Virtualbox software. This is my Oracle, or we call Virtualbox. The version, the version of my Virtualbox, this version. Downloads Ubuntu's desktop last test or version you prefer. Go to Google. Ubuntu's. This one downloads Ubuntu desktop, the version. This one. The last step version LTS, it means long-term support 24.04.2. I have downloads this this file.iso already. I go to news. The folder I choose to the drive that have the max storage, the drive S. I download Ubuntu desktop 24.2 ISO is like this. The packet, the name I choose Ubuntu 2. This one, the folder, other. I choose drive S, Virtualbox, Ubuntu. The name, you can name as what you want. I chose this file.iso. Go to this software. The username I change to Ubuntu. The password. Password not correct. Password again. Password is right. The host name is set root. Root. We choose Ubuntu. Disable. Enable. The guest edition. I have it. Choose to other dot. The case iPhone. I go to program file. The Oracle Virtualbox. This one. The hardware I choose 4 GB. The base memory. This one. Processor I choose 2. The hard disk I choose 50. The hard default type I choose VMDK. This one. Finish. VMDK. Now we wait to start. Go to Ubuntu step enter. The Ubuntu 24.04 is starting. Now the error at the moment is gone. Okay, now the Ubuntu's boot is start already, and wait. Okay, please wait it. Now it preparing the Ubuntu's. Okay, I go to check about again that the setting of this video. The video memory I should choose to 128. Okay, now I close it because if the video memory is I have tested it before, if the video memory is this one, it when I install the Ubuntu on Virtualbox it will slow, so I decide to choose 128. Okay, and start again. Okay, again after we upgrade the video memory, the Ubuntu is preparing. After this is installed, the software program has detected, so I need to report or cancel. Okay, close. Okay. Okay, now I close it and start again. Okay, after it close, I close and start it again. Okay, next, input the correct password. The view I choose scale or this one, or I go to setting. I choose Streamless. Okay, sweeps. Okay, and then I click Ctrl Alt T. Okay, welcome to Ubuntu this version. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y enter. Input your password. Now the packet is update and upgrade. Okay, after update and upgrade is successfully, and currently for install Ubuntu step by step on Virtualbox is that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.